In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create consistent AI characters using Luma. We'll move from finding Luma online to generating a first scene, then reusing that character to keep the look and feel consistent across new scenes. Follow along, and I'll share tips on what to write so your character reliably stays the same. Start by opening your browser and searching for Luma AI. In the results, click the link that reads Luma AI Agents for Creative Work. This takes you to Luma's homepage. From here, select Try Luma. That opens the Luma workspace where you'll do all your prompting and generation. In the prompt box, describe your character clearly and consistently. For best results, lock in the core identity. Include details like age range, hairstyle, clothing, face shape, notable features, and an overall vibe. You can even add a simple label in your wording, such as this same character, to reinforce continuity. Keep the camera style steady too. Mention framing, lighting, and mood, so the character is presented the same way from scene to scene. Avoid changing those core descriptors later. Consistency starts with a stable foundation. Click Submit to generate. Luma will process your request and produce a video. Give it a moment. When it's ready, click the generated video to open it. Watch it through and confirm the character's look matches what you described. If it's close but not perfect, note which traits you want to reinforce next time. Things like specific clothing colors or hair texture can be emphasized in later prompts. Now, to keep the character consistent across new scenes, click the Reuse button. Reuse anchors your next generation to the look and style you've already established, which is key for continuity. In the new prompt field, write your next scene. Here's the important part. Keep the same character descriptors intact at the start of your prompt, then change only the action or setting. For example, if the first scene was indoors, your next might move outside, but you'll still repeat the same core character details and visual style. Small wording changes can shift results, so reuse your exact phrasing for the character whenever possible. Click Create to generate the new scene. Review it, and if the character remains consistent, continue with this step for additional scenes. Each time, reuse the previous result, repeat the same core identity and visual style, and only vary the action, location, or emotion. That steady structure is what keeps your AI character looking like the same person across your entire sequence.